In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Substack support effectively and ensure you get the assistance you need. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just need some guidance, contacting Substack support team can be a straightforward process if you know what steps to follow. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge necessary to reach out to them confidently. First, you'll want to start by going to your Substack dashboard. Once you're there, navigate away from the Home tab and click on Posts, or if you prefer, any other section aside from the Home tab. This step serves a purpose. It gets you to the point where you'll see a little window of opportunity appear, quite literally, at the bottom right corner of your page. Now, in that very corner, you're going to see an option that says Ask a Question. Give that a click. This is your gateway to initiating a direct chat with Substack support. Engaging in a chat like this is often the quickest way to get responses for any pressing questions you might have. It's a nifty feature that places assistance right at your fingertips. Once you've opened up the chat, you can start typing your question. At this point, it's important to be as detailed as possible. Give them all the pertinent information they need to understand your query. Think about including relevant details such as the steps you've taken that led to the issue, any error messages you've encountered, or anything else that could provide context. The clearer you are, the easier it will be for them to help you efficiently. After you've sent your message, there might be a short wait for a response. This is the perfect time to take a breather, maybe even jot down any additional questions that might pop into your mind. Remember, patience is key here. In case you need to explore another way of reaching out or for issues that might not be as urgent, Substack offers another method of contact. You can email them directly at their support email address, support@substack.com. This could be a preferable option if you're dealing with an issue that requires you to send attachments, like screenshots, or if your query is more complex and might not fit well within the confines of a simple chat message. And there you have it. These are the steps you'll need to take to get in touch with Substack support. Remember, whether you choose to use the chat option for a quicker response or the email for more detailed queries, Substack support team is there to help you navigate whatever difficulties you might be experiencing. Take the time to follow these steps carefully, and you will be well prepared to handle any issue that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and good luck.